Hello and welcome to the video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a 2013 Ford Escape SE. This is a 5-passenger SUV in black, and under the hood you'll find a 2-liter 4-cylinder driving on 17-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features we got on this Ford Escape include your fog lights, roof rails with crossbars, and heated mirrors. Now why don't we hop inside and see what else this Escape has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our panic button. Press that unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom of the door you have some storage space, and above it you'll find your power windows, power mirrors, and your power locks. Next to the door you'll find your different lighting options. And this Ford Escape is equipped with all-weather mats and black leather seating. And on the bottom you will find your power seating adjustment buttons. On the left side of the steering wheel, these clusters right here will allow you to control and cycle through your multi-information display. Underneath that, you have your cruise control speed settings. On the right side, you will find your volume buttons, and on the bottom, you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system right behind the wheel. If we move on to our screen here, right now we are on the home screen. If we go into entertainment, you can see you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between CD, USB, and you can also connect your phone through a Bluetooth device option right here, or we can just press add a phone in the top left corner.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
Okay, now we can go home. We can also view and control the climate control settings through the screen here. Down below is your physical climate control. We'll just put that in drive to get that out of the way. Down here is your physical climate control system. It is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. And of course, the temperature does display down here as well as on the screen. Behind the shifter, you will find your driver and passenger heated seats. Before we move to the cargo, we're going to take a quick look in the back here. On the bottom, you have some storage space, just like the driver's side. Continuing with the black leather seating. If we look inside the center here, we can pull this down, giving you access to a little armrest and 2 cup holders. And these seats do fold down. All we got to do is pull this upwards, and that will give you access to your cargo. To open up, all we got to do is just press this button right in here. Taking a look inside, you can see there's plenty of cargo space in the back of this Ford Escape. We do have a little storage compartment on the left side. If we look underneath here, you will find your spare tire in case one ever goes out on you. To close up, we got this handle on the right side. Just give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at a 2013 Ford Escape. Once again, some of those great interior features include your heated seats, hands-free calling, and a dual-zone climate control system. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest, Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk-around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.